Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all good. So, I hope you have done your homework. Now, today we will going to start smartphones on in page number 11. Okay, so open your page number 11 and today we will going to learn about smartphones. So, what is smartphone? A smartphone is a mini computer which can perform many tasks besides making call. Just like you can do video call, you can do calculations, you can shop online, you can web browse, and you can navigate during driving, and it can be used as remotely, and we can create Wi-Fi hotspot. And in mobile we can use many types of apps, just like for playing games and making online payments, listen music, watch films, and we are doing study also with the help of mobile. So these are the new technologies which are introduced. Now we will talk about wearable technology. These are some wearable devices. Some wearable technologies are smartwatch and fitness tracker, smart glasses, and VR headsets. So smartwatch is just like a smartphone, but it is a touch screen device worn just like you wear the watches, and it includes many functions of smartphone. For example, Apple Watch Series 2 and Fitbit Ionic. The second one is fitness tracker. Fitness tracker is also wear in the wrist. Trackers. The name itself defines that it track your fitness. There are some fitness tracker devices which are available in the market, just like the Fitbit Alta, German Vivo Smart 3, German Vivo Move HR, Nokia Steel HR, and Misfit Ray. So now we talk about the smart glasses. Just like you wear the glass, in the same way these are also the same type of glass, but it work as a smartphone. Means it includes some functions of smartphone, just like built-in camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, voice recognition, virtual reality, etc. Some examples of smart glasses are Google glasses, etc. VR headsets. VR headsets is a gadget worn over the eye like a pair of goggles. So normally VR headsets is used to watch movies, play games, etc. Some of the examples of the VR headsets are Google Cardboard, HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR, etc. Now we will talk about the 3D printers. So 3D printers print the object in three dimensionals. So three dimensions includes what? X, Y, and Z axis. These printers use the 3D printing technology to join materials and create 3D objects. This type of printer is totally different from the normal printer which prints in 1D and 2D. Now we will talk about robots. Robot uses artificial intelligence technology. It is a machine programmed by a computer that carry out the complex task on its own without by any intervention. So, robot uses its artificial intelligence to perform any task. Some of the robo examples are just like Sophia. It is an humanoid robot developed by a Hong Kong based company, Hanson Robotics. So now we will talk about the virtual reality. In short, we can say it is VR. So sometimes you see that some people wear the headset like this in their eyes and playing games. So normally virtual reality create a space around you which is not real. Now we will going to talk about augmented reality. In short, we can say that AR. With the help of augmented reality, a user can manipulate with the real life object without having to touch them. For example, if you want to place a sofa in your home, but you want to see that how it looks like in your home, you just use VR technology. Some car companies also working on the VR technology so that the map which we used while driving, it can be printed on the windscreen so that we don't have to see in the mobile again and again. Students, in this way we have completed our work, and you have to do the exercises and question answers, and the question answers will be sent in the group. Okay.